Who said first they ignore you, then they laugh at you, then they fight you, and then you win? The correct answer is C, that is Mahatma Gandhi. So Kellen's words are often summarized as first they ignore you, then they laugh at you, then they fight you, and then you win, and misattributed to Mahatma Gandhi, who made different remarks to a similar effect in a 1920 speech at Muzaffarabad, includes in Freedom's Battle. Who among the below was called the father of Indian Renaissance? The correct answer is C, that is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. So Raja Ram Mohan Roy was a non-conformist to many traditions, and he was born on 1772 in Radhanagar village in Murshidabad district of West Bengal. Mir Bakshi, who worked under Akbar, was required to look after. The correct answer is A, that is military affairs. So the Mir Bakshi was in charge of intelligence gathering and also made recommendation to the Emperor of military appointments and promotions. Who was the first Indian to join the ICS? The correct answer is A, that is Satyendranath Tagore. So all this made it difficult for Indian candidates. Nevertheless, in 1864. So all this made it difficult for Indian candidates, and the first Indian, Sri Satyendra Tagore, brother of Sri Rabindranath Tagore, succeeded, and 3 years later 4 other Indians succeeded. The Gandhi-Irwin Pact was signed in which of the following years? The correct answer is C, that is 1931. So Gandhi-Irwin Pact agreement signed on 5th March 1931 between Mohandas K. Gandhi, leader of the Indian nationalist movement, and Lord Irwin, British Viceroy of India. Which of the following literature was not authored by Dara Shikoh? The correct answer is C, Rakat-e-Alamgiri. The Battle of Talikota was fought in the year. The correct answer is A, that is 1565. The Battle of Talikota, confrontation in the Deccan region of southern India between the forces of the Hindu Raj of Vijayanagar and the 4 allied Muslim sultans of Bijapur, Bidar, Ahmednagar and Golconda. And the battle was fought on, exactly the date is 23rd January 1565 at a site of southeast of Bijapur. To which king belongs the lion capital at Sarnath? The correct answer is B, that is Ashoka. The lion capital comes from a column at Sarnath in Uttar Pradesh, built by Ashoka, the Mauryan king, who flourished in the 3rd century BC. The pillars were raised at various points on the route pilgrimage that he undertook in the 20th year. Who is regarded as the greatest lawgiver of ancient India? The correct answer is B, that is Manu. So Manu Smriti, a book on Indian law, is attributed to the legendary first man and lawgiver, and the most authoritative of the book of the Hindu code in India. In which year did India's constitution come into force? The correct answer is B, that is 1950. So the republic is governed in term of the Constitution of India, which was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 26th November 1949 and come into force in 26th January 1950. Jawaharlal Nehru declared Purna Swaraj at, the correct answer is C, Lahore 1929. So the flag of India was hosted by Jawaharlal Nehru on 31st December 1929 on the bank of Ravi River in Lahore, and the Congress asked the people of India to observe 26th January as Independence Day. In which year did India cease to be a dominion of the British Crown? The correct answer is D, that is 1950. So while India remained a dominant till 1950, Pakistan retained the status till 1956. Lord William Banting was the Governor General during the period. So the correct answer is C, that is 1828 to 35. So Lord William was the Governor General during the period of 1828 to 35. Emri, a Harappan site, is located in the province of, the correct answer is D, that is Sindh. Amri is an ancient settlement in modern day Sindh, Pakistan, that goes back to 3600 BCE. The site is located south of Mohenjo-daro on Hyderabad Dadu Road, more than 100 km north of Hyderabad, Pakistan. Name that Sufi sant who was associated with Akbar. The correct answer is C, that is Sheikh Salim Chishti. So Salim Chishti was a Sufi sant of the Chishti order during the Mughal Empire in India. In the Mughal Empire, Akbar came to Chishti's home in Sikri to ask him to pray for a male heir to the throne. Salim Chishti was a Sufi sant of the Chishti order during the Mughal Empire in India. And Chishti blessed Akbar, and soon the first of three sons was born to him. Who has started Save Narmada movement in 1905 for the first time? The correct answer is D, that is Medha Patekar. So Medha, they wanted an alternative structure of development, and internationally they wanted to build pressure on the World Bank to take accountability. So it was started by Medha Patekar. The golden period of Indian culture was during, the correct answer is B, that is Gupta period. So the period between the 4th and the 6th century is known as golden age of India because of the considerable achievements of Indians in the field of mathematics, astronomy, science, religion and philosophy during the Gupta Empire. As per the TRIPS Agreement 1994, a good originating from a region with specific character, quality, reputation is covered to be protected under the IPRS. The correct answer is D, that is geographic indicator. Where did Babur die? The correct answer is A, that is Agra. So Babur died in Agra at the age of 47 on 5th January 1531 and was succeeded by his eldest son Humayun. Pitt's India Act of 1784 was the correct answer is B, that is ordinance. So the East India Company Act, also known as Pitt's India Act, was an act of the Parliament of Great Britain intended to address the shortcomings of the Regulation Act of 1773 by bringing the East India Company's rule in India under the control of the British government. So the East India Company Act, also known as Pitt's India Act, and the Parliament of Great Britain intended to address the shortcoming of the Regulating Act of 1773. The East India Company rule in India under the control of the British government. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you. All the best.